The most common meaning of the word look is translated into English as onion. В магазине продается лук. It can also refer to a bow, as in the type used for archery. Он занимается стрельбой из лука. Even though these words are spelled and sound the same, pay attention to their plural forms. For example, the phrase «Я купил 2 лука» translates to «I bought 2 bows». If you want to say «I bought 2 onions», you would say «Я купил 3 луковицы». Nowadays, look is also used as slang to mean outfit. This usage is borrowed from the English word look. If someone asks you «Оцени мой look», it has nothing to do with an onion or a bow. It means check my outfit. If you have more questions about the Russian language or vocabulary, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you.